Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, today I'm going to show you about how to make a soil nature sensor. So we'll show you the wiring, the coding, and the function. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, so here I will show you how to wiring. And here you need you need three cable jumper, three cable jumper. Okay, and then you need the soil sensor. And so if you buy soil sensor, you will get one packet, the little one and the big one, the long one. And then next you here here we need 5 cable jumper. Okay, 5. And then here we need servo. Okay, servo. And then we need microbit and the superbit. And here we need we need 2 USB cable. Okay, that it's not type C, by the way. Okay, so let's go. Here I will show you the wiring. First, you take this one. Okay, like this. Take this stuff. Okay, and then you take 2 cable jumper, and you connect. You connect here. Connect here too. And then next, here you have to connect again to there is 2 pin, right? So we connect here and here. Okay, look at that. So I'm sorry, that's wrong. Okay, so it will be like this, right? So like this. Wait, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's good, like this, guys. So and then here we take 3 cable jumper again. We put the first cable to VCC, okay, and the second is to ground, right, and we put to AO. Okay, put to AO, so it will be like this. This is the VCC, the ground, and the AO analog. How to say, analog read pin. This is the analog read pin. And then next we connect to microbit. First we take the VCC, the VCC. We put 2 pin 1 in VCC. Okay, so it will be like this, right? And then here after that, my red cable, it's connect to ground. Then we will put to ground below the VCC cable. And then the last is the green pin with the analog read pin. So we put to pin 1, the yellow pin, right? So it will be like this. And then next we will take the servo. Look at this. So I have not magic trick. Yeah, I think it's like a magic trick. So you put like this. So it will be like this. Look at that. Here, because there is 3 pin, like 3 pin. I'm sorry, 3 pin. So here we put in here. Nah, so it will be like this. You can see, right? Nah, and then after that, I'll go to my laptop, right? To for code this project. Okay, let's go to my laptop. So now I have checked to my laptop, and then now I will show you the code. Okay, go. Okay, sorry. So first you make the new project. Okay, and then you create a new variable. The name is soil. Okay, wait. The name is soil. Create new variable soil. Okay. Wait. So I want to delete set variable because I have two, and then you put set variable, and after that you wait, and then you go to analog, go to advanced pins, and then you take analog read pin because you put this the cable, okay, the cable to AO. Look at that, this one. And also you take analog read pin, and before that you go to wait, you go to integer, you go to math, you take, what is that? Wait, inter nah nah wait, in integer in nah this one, sorry, I cannot find it. And then after that you put another analog read pin, right? Set, sorry, analog read pin here, and then set to 10, right? And then here you take serial, you go to serial word value, okay, and then you change them to humid, and then you go to variable, take soil, put here. Nah, then after that you if else, take the if else set. Nah, and then after that you take the you go to logic, yes, and then this one I don't know the name, put here, and then change, that's right, and then you take the soil, then I change to 95. Then you go to show icon, you can show your the smile icon. So okay, and then you go to pins, and then we take a servo word pin, because I put the pin to pin 0. So we change to 0, and then here, I'm sorry, you put here, and then you duplicate it, so you put in else, you take a side icon, and then you change this one to 90. Okay, and then done. So after this, after that, you connect your microbit, right, to download it. What is that? Oh, I'm sorry. You connect it, and then after you connect your microbit, you can download it. Now, okay. So now I will go back to my phone again. If you have create the code, and then if you connect here and you have to download it, so you actually you have take two cable, and then you connect it here. Nah, so this the white cable, okay, the function is to connect here the how to say the super bit, okay. Okay, like this. Nah, and then nah, so you turn it on, turn on, because there is a button here. Okay, turn on, and then now I will put this one to the soil, but because I forget to bring my soil, I will take it first. Okay guys, so now I will show you the wait, guys, we'll download again because there's bug in my laptop. Yes, decodingan. Okay, I will download again. Set. What? Nah, so here the logo is a smile. Okay, I don't know why. So I will trying to put this sensor to this this oil, and then the output is will be smile. Okay, and then after this, if you not put the wait what, if you not put your sensor in soil, the logo will not smile, guys. So and then if the logo is smile, right, and the logo will not, if the logo will not smile, the servo will turn to 90 derajat, and then now I will show you the prototype, right? Okay, now I will show you the prototype, guys. So here, if you put the sensor to the soil, and the output is not smile, and automatically the servo will will rotate 90 derajat, and the water will mengalir to the soil. Nah, so like that. And if the soil not the soil was smile, the servo will turn to negative 90. So in here there is no water again. Nah, like that. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for listening. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.